I'm not sure if we've ever done one of these before, but this is an M12 Milwaukee. I've done one before, I'm not sure if we've ever videoed it. M12 Milwaukee 1.5 ampere. So this is for their subcompact range. It's a warranty return battery. You can charge it up manually through the pins, but the board in it doesn't work, so it over discharges and then you can't charge it with the charger. And even when you've got it in range, it just still throws errors. So I'll pop it open for you and show you what's inside. It's 18 watt hours, so there's only 3 little 18650s. Pretty easy to see where they are. I'll open them up. So as I'm going around this, I'll just show you how hard it is to actually open. You've got to be careful not to damage the cells. The cells are just there. And you've got to work your way around. You'll get one of these to pop open, these clips. Once you get one of them open, just keep working your way around until you get him to pull the top off. Alrighty then, so this is what you end up with. You've got a balance board up on top, like so. And then your 3 18650s are mounted to that. So it's still powering this one. Like I say, I was using it. And once you get it flat, the board doesn't let you charge it back up in the charger. So there you go. Bonded together at the bottom like so. Spot welded. Got balance leads. A neat little board on top. It's probably only fired because someone's stuck in water or whatever. I generally don't fire for no reason. But these are the common INR 18650 Samsungs I've shown many times. They've got 15M written on them. They're genuine, pretty normally true to their capacity, and they'll be 1500 milliamp hours. Most of the Samsungs straight away will tell you what they are, or what they're rated to is normally very accurate. Just start trimming the shit bits off. Sorry about that. Ran out of hands, so the camera's just propped. Cut all the various junk we don't need off. Because we're only in it for one thing. We only want the 18650s. And there you go, there's the product. 3 more little 18650s. Like I say, only 1500 milliamps. They're not the most amazing thing, but they're great for smaller projects. Think about using some of the ones that are around the 1500 mark to pull a lithium poly out of that. And not stack them in there, but stick however many of them I can get in series across there. And make myself a nice little USB power tank with a bit better capacity. It's about 8000 milliamp hour, even though it's rated at 10. Just light poly, so it's probably done 500 life cycles, so the actual capacity of it's dropping at the moment. yeah, more 18650s every day. I'll have to go through and well, I don't have to do a sort again. I've been as I've been pulling them out, I've been putting them through the tester and putting them in the right pile for those boxes I've rated. If you want to know more about the sorting process, just duck back through the videos a bit. There's a couple of videos of me sorting, yeah, a couple hundred of them. So that's what we're up to. Thanks for watching. Thanks to all my new subscribers. I'll keep on bringing you videos. Catch you next time.